Pronunciación, diálogo, Carlos y Juan. Juan. Hello, good morning. My full name is Juan. I am studying. I am 17 years old. I am Peruvian. Nice to meet you. Carlos. Hi, good morning. My full name is Carlos. I am studying. I am 16 years old. I am from Peru. Nice to meet you. Becker routines. Juan, do you during the weeks? During his studying is morning. I attend school at UAM. I do my homework in the afternoon. I help my mother at home. What do you do during the weeks? Juan, I study in the morning too. I reading an English books. I practice with my dictionary. I my family. Weekends. What Carlos wants do on weekends? Juan, on the weekends I play soccer. I watch TV with my family. I visit my grandparents and yours. Carlos, I play video games. I listen to music. I clean my room. Likes Andres, likes Juan, what doing for doing? I like playing soccer. I love eating pizza. I don't like weekends at Arlene. I have doing the difficult homework. What about you, Carlos? I like reading. I like listening to music. I don't like music. I hate cleaning the house. Music and the food. Juan. What time do music doing like? Carlos, I like pop music. My favorite pop music pop. What is favorite time out music? Juan, my favorite time with música cumbia. Carlos, what food do you like? Juan, I like pasta and chicken. I would drinking orange juice. I don't like vegetables. Carlos, do you like pasta? Juan, yes, I do. I love pasta. Carlos, I like rice and fish. I don't like spicy food. Clothing, Juan. This is our information. Carlos, we are happy to share our routines and preferences. Juan and Carlos, thanks you for watching our video. Goodbye.